Imagine a $600 watch that embodies the pinnacle of high-end trends while exuding timeless elegance. Sounds too good to be true? Meet the Anders & Company AC2 Volcán, a dress watch that's turning heads in 2025. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a sub-$1,000 timepiece truly rival the sophistication of luxury brands? Let's dive in. The world of horology witnessed a seismic shift in 2025 when stone dials became the year's most coveted trend. What began as an exclusive experiment among luxury watchmakers quickly trickled down to mid-tier and affordable brands. Yet, amidst this influx, the AC2 Volcán stands out as a masterclass in blending affordability with refinement. And this is the part most people miss. Its design isn't just inspired by high-end classics. It rivals them. Anders & Company, a Swedish boutique watchmaker with only 2 collections to its name, has already cemented its place in the watchmaking elite. The AC2 Volcán draws heavily from the Patek Philippe Calatrava, often hailed as the grandfather of modern dress watches. Its streamlined tonneau case, mirror-polished finish, Dauphine hands, and sharp beveled indices scream luxury. The result? A watch that looks like it costs several times its price tag. Here's the bold part. Anders & Company didn't stop at borrowing design cues. They elevated the trend by introducing 6 stunning stone dials: turquoise, charoite, rubellite, aventurine, and red agate. Each dial is a work of art, showcasing vibrant colors and intricate textures that contrast beautifully with the watch's minimalist case. But the red agate dial takes a daring turn, replacing traditional indices with Eastern Arabic numerals. Love it or hate it, it's a conversation starter. The AC2 Volcán's attention to detail extends to its strap, a quick-release black leather band embossed with an alligator texture and secured by a polished steel buckle. It's the perfect complement to the watch's luxurious aesthetic. But here's the question. Does the absence of a second's hand, a deliberate choice to keep costs down, detract from its elegance? Anders & Company argues that for a dress watch, simplicity is paramount. After all, if you're wearing a timepiece like this, you're not in a hurry. Under the hood, the watch houses a Miyota caliber 9T22 quartz movement, chosen for its ultra-thin profile. This allows the AC2 Volcán to maintain a sleek 5.6mm case height, aligning with 2025's trend toward compact luxury watches. The 37mm polished steel case, with its gently curved lugs, ensures a snug fit on the wrist, further enhancing its refined silhouette. Now, the million-dollar question. Is the AC2 Volcán worth its price? At $627 or $715 for the red agate variant, it's a steal for what it offers. But with limited production and no plans for reissues, it's a ticking time bomb for collectors. Will you take the plunge? Or will you let this trendsetter slip away? Let us know in the comments. We're curious to hear your take.